So let's balance the chemical reactions in this video. So for explaining you that I'm taking a simple chemical reaction of sodium hydroxide with sulfuric acid. So sodium hydroxide, that is, I've got NaOH. I have got NaOH plus, make it more neater. Yes, so I got sodium hydroxide NaOH plus sulfuric acid, so H2SO4, that results in sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4 plus water. So Na2SO4 plus H2O. So now you can see something different or something problematic in the product form, that is Na2SO4. So you can pause the video and check it. Yes, it actually. So yes, so you might have guessed that here I had only one sodium atom. So I had only one sodium atom, and here I got two. So how are they added? So is that they come from air? No, they are not. So in this way, we need to balance the chemical reactions. That is, we need to make the number of atoms on the LHS side or the left side. So this is my LHS side, so left hand side. So this is my LHS side, and this is my RHS side. So RHS side. So this is LHS. So we have to make the balancing the chemical reactions with making the number of atoms on both the sides equal. So let's note down the atoms on the left hand side. So first I have sodium, then I have oxygen, then I have hydrogen, then I have sulfur S, and then again I have oxygen. So I have these four atoms that are in the LHS side. So let's count their numbers. So I have only one present on the LHS side. So this is my LHS side. So this is my LHS side. So I have got an oxygen. I have got here one, and here four. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So I have got 5 oxygen atoms here. Then hydrogen I have got one here and three. So total I have got three. And sulfur only one. And now concerning about RHS side, I've got two sodium atoms. Then I've got 4 plus 1 5 oxygen atoms. Then I've got H2, that is 2, yes, H2, that is 2 hydrogen atoms, and I've got 2 hydrogen atoms. So I've got 2 hydrogen atoms, and then I have also got sulfur. So I've got only one sulfur atom. So one. So now let's check which of them, the number of atoms on both of which elements are equal. So that of oxygen are equal. So let's tick mark that. So these are equal. Then though no, these are not. Sodium is not equal. Yes, it's equal. Then hydrogen, it's also not equal. Actually, the number of hydrogen atoms on the left hand side are greater than that of the RHS side, so we need to balance some things in order to make them equal. And sulfur, yes, we have proper sulfur atoms also. So now let's balance, that is, let's add some atoms to these compounds, or yes, let's add some atoms to the compounds to make the number of atoms on LHS and RHS side equal. So let's start with NaOH. So I will copy that equation again, or it will be messy. So this is my copy paste. So unnecessary part. I need to erase. So it will take time. So now if I need two Na atoms, sorry, sodium atoms. So if I add two number here, so if I add just two, then I will get the sodium atoms equal. So let's copy this chart also. So copy, oops, and select it properly. So I'm copying it, pasting it. So and then LHS and RHS, copy, paste. So when I add 2, I get the sodium atoms 2 on the LHS side. So 2 on LHS side, 2 on LHS side, and that of 2 on RHS side. Now what about oxygen? So 2 more oxygen atoms are added and 2 hydrogen atoms are added. So it has, no, sorry, 1 oxygen atom is added and 1 hydrogen atom is added. So now yes, so now the number of hydrogen atoms on the left hand side will be, earlier we had 3, now it will be 4, and the oxygen atoms, it will be 6 oxygen atoms on the left hand side. And then if we need no more sulfur atoms, so we'll not make any changes right now to the H2SO4, that's sulfuric acid. So we have, I'm keeping that one and let it be 1 here. So I have got my Na, that is sodium, balanced properly, but my oxygen and hydrogen atoms are not balanced properly. So now I need I have got here five oxygen atoms. So I have got here 5 oxygen atoms, and I have got two, yes, only two hydrogen atoms. So what I need to do is add some hydrogen atoms. So if I add 2 here, remember, if I add 2 here, then I will get 2 to the 4, so I will get 4 hydrogen atoms. So I will get after adding I will get 4 hydrogen atoms, and I will get one more oxygen atom will be added. So I will get, as I mean 2, there was 1, so 2 1, if this is 1, oh, this is 1, so 2 1s are 2, and hence I got 2 oxygen, that is 1 so because I had other earlier 1 atom. So I will get 6. So all of them are now balanced, all of them are balanced. So in this way we have balanced this chemical reaction. So earlier we had NaOH plus H2SO4 results in Na2SO4 plus H2O, but now we have 2 NaOH plus H2SO4 plus Na2SO4 plus 2 H2O. Remember, but I cannot make this H4. It will change the compound and it will make a great change. So if I want to add something, then I can only add to the whole compound and not just a single atom. So I can't add to the single atom. I can't make directly it as Na2OH. It will be wrong. So if I make this, it will, my equation will be wrong, because NaOH is only present and Na2OH is never present. So remember that we have to add, or yes, we have to add yes, we have to add the number to the whole compound itself. So I have added the 2 to the whole compound. Thank you.